Hello and welcome. Today we are learning how to use the verbs have and have got. These verbs are extremely common and you will hear them every day in English conversations. They help us talk about possession, availability, expressions, habits, and even obligation. Let's start with the verb have. Have is a very flexible and universal verb. It can be used in many tenses and it means much more than simple possession. We use have to talk about things we own or things available to us. I have a car. She has a beautiful house. We also use have when talking about food or drinks. I have breakfast at 7 a.m. Let's have a cup of tea. Another common use is describing experience or events. We had a great time. He had a shower. And we use it for obligation in the struction have to. I have to go. Now let's look at the forms to have in the present simple. I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, they have. Let's see how we build sentences. Affirmative sentences. I have a dog. She has long hair. Negative sentences use do or does. I do not have a cat. I don't have a cat. He does not have a bike. He doesn't have a bike. Interrogative sentences. Do you have any questions? Does she have a brother? Now let's talk about have got. Have got is very common in British English and sounds more conversations. It usually focuses on position or availability. I've got a car. She's got a beautiful house. It can also express obligation with have got to. I've got to go. Forms in present simple. I have got. You have got. She has got. She has got. It has got. We have got. They have got. Sentence formation. I have got a dog. I've got a dog. Negative sentences. I have not got a cat. I haven't got a cat. He hasn't got a bike. Questions. Have you got any questions? Has she got a brother? Let's summarize the key differences. Have and had got often mean the same thing when talking about possession. Have got sounds more informal and conversational. Have is used in all tenses, but have got is mostly present tense. Have needs do or does in questions and negatives. Have got does not need auxiliary verbs. Have got is more common in British English. Have is more common in American English. In real life, you will hear both forms, so it's important to recognize and practice them. Try making your own sentences about a thing about have or have got. Practice daily and you'll quickly feel the differences. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Hello and